What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into Santander UK's online banking account. Now if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So the first step is you want to search for Santander UK login and click on the first link over here. Just remember, when you click on the link, it should take you to this website called santander.co.uk. Remember, .uk should be at the end, or you're going to another website or like another country's Santander bank's website. So make sure it has .uk, and then it'll bring you over here. Click on log on and it'll take you to its login page. And once you're on its login page, you want to enter your personal ID over here and then enter your security number. Click on login and you should be able to log in into a Santander UK bank. So hope you guys understand. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and bye bye everybody.